We're going to escape the rat race. One player. I'm a business manager making $4,600 salary. Here we go. Start small. Might have for you. $5 to $30. I got $2,000. I need $2,000 to cover my expenses. I'm going to buy. I'm going to gamble. Okay, for you at $40. I don't want that. I'm going to try to get out as quick as I can. What is the fastest you have gotten out? One person commented once that I did it in like 7 minutes. Have you beaten that? I've done this in like 2 moves before, but that was rare. You essentially buy a small house, flip it, and buy a business. Or buy the big business, be almost broke, buy a small house, pay off a loan. All right, here we go. All right, so I need to borrow $1,000 for this, so it'll still cash flow $100. 4,000 down. I got 3,000. Okay, we'll buy that. So I'm making $100 on that guy. I'm gonna make a donation so we can go a little quicker. If I'm positive cash flow, I'm always getting the charity because just quicker paydays. Small deal. Start a part-time company. Not right now. Okay, this is my 3 moves. I'm almost around the board. CDs, not interested. Don't get the CDs. It's a waste of your time. The thing is, you buy it, you make like $20, and then you can't sell it until you get a CD again. So it's a waste of your time. Don't do it. All right, negative cash flow. Don't want to buy that. I'm going too quick. If this is too quick, let me know. Let me know whatever questions you have about this game too. No, I like playing it. I'm not like Robert Kiyosaki. If I was, I probably wouldn't be filming videos in my kitchen. But then again, I don't know where he films his podcast. I still love his stuff. Even if I consider myself like just an E. If you read Cashflow Quadrant. If you haven't read Cashflow Quadrant, I'll leave a link to all the books, affiliate links to Amazon down in the description below. You could check those out. I recommend Cashflow Quadrant. What it does is it talks about, it's too expensive. It talks about the different areas of business and everyone's role in it as an employee, a self-employed person, or a business owner, or an investor, and how everyone should transition, this is too expensive, to becoming an I, which is an investor, or a B, an I. The natural thing, do I have any of these? Nope, 2-1. The natural flow of things is to go from E to S to B to I. You could do that as starting your own business, or if you're not really creative, you could buy a franchise. He mentions network marketing. I recommend affiliate marketing. You can go to kevinjpino.com. I have a free ebook on that. I'll leave a link in the description below. All right, so I saved up some cash. I got some debt I could pay back. I still have that loan for $1,000 I want to pay off. So I have a condo. Doesn't cash flow much, but I'll buy it. I should probably go bigger deals, and we're also going to repay this. See, it's actually, I probably shouldn't have bought that because $1,000, I've gotten rid of $100 in payments, but I paid $5,000 for $160 in payments for that condo. Mighty for you. Wait, dramatically up due to their shares. They just split. So cool. I got 400 shares, and now I have 800 shares at $5 a piece. So hopefully they'll sell soon. After the second book, Cashflow Quadrant, is Guide to Investing, where he breaks down the different types of investors. You know, most people are just familiar with like trading stocks, building a portfolio that way through a 401k. There's many different aspects to that. He recommends going through a business because you can actually legitimately write off a lot of expenses, and because it's not personal income, it's taxed different. So you can, talk to a lawyer, but you can expense things that you wouldn't normally be able to expense. Like if you had a small bread company and you needed to buy a building, you could buy the building, raw land. I'm going to skip this. You could buy the building and then essentially depreciate or write off some of the expenses for that building and also build equity by paying down the loan. But he goes another little level deeper with that, where you could maximize your tax benefit not only by depreciating, but you could set up an LLC. This is still too expensive. I should really probably make some moves here, Kevin. You're just saving money. You could set up an LLC for like a real estate holding company to have the building, and then a separate LLC or corporation for the bread company, and the bread company pays the LLC rent, and then they're essentially separate business entities, and there's greater tax depreciation from that, or depreciation. It's in the books, third book. I'll leave a link in the description below. I got to stop doing these small deals. I have enough cash to do a bigger deal, so I'm going to look after I have a baby and pay off my son's college. That was quick. I had a baby, and then he went to college the next day. Okay. Big deal. 7,000. I really don't want, I want better I want better return. 7,000 for $150 is actually really low. So I'm going to pass. Now, I know I could get the appreciation from the sale, but I don't want that because I don't know when it's going to sell. I want to get paid right now. The name of the game is cash flow. I need money coming in now to cover my expenses. As you can see, I still need about $2,700 to escape the rat race. Okay, big deal. All right, so that's still not the best. I'm going to wait. I'll be waiting forever. This is a great deal. Okay. That's like 12% return. Okay. Another big deal. 40,000 for 900. Now, I used to own the board game. The board game, there's a lot more. It's like Monopoly. It takes a little while to play. You want to be able to try to get out inside of an hour. You got to do the math live. The old version, I think the new version might have it too. It comes with actual cash, just like the Monopoly board game. But you can do side deals on the board game. All right, I'm going to buy this because I only need to finance. So it's 30,000 down. I got 25,000. That means I have to finance $5,000, which is going to cost me $500 a month. So that means I can buy this. It'll cover $500 and I'll still have $1,000 cash flow. That's a good deal. Okay, see that? Boom. You see how my financial statement just changed to that one purchase? Okay. And now as I'm getting payments, in the next 5 turns, I could pay off that loan because it's making me $1,000. Or I could just do this and sell these for 50 grand more, 57,000, 50,000. Okay. Okay. Now we'll immediately go and pay off all my loans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was I saying? I'm going to have to watch this again to remember what I was saying. Comment below. What was my point? Leave a timestamp so I remember. If you have any other requests for videos, look at that. You can leave those in the comment below. Subscribe for more content. All that jazz. I have a lot of books on Facebook Marketplace if you need to make quick cash. All right. We're going for big deals. All right. So that is not the best return. It's another 3-2 for 70,000. You saw me just, I sold those for a lot of money. $20,000 down for $500 compared to what I can do. The market in this game isn't really worth it to me. For $20,000, I could buy 10 of the other ones. So I'll just wait. Just got downsized. Skip a turn, skip a turn. Do you guys want to see a multiplayer version of the game where I'll go live and play with other people? It takes a little bit more time, but can I get out? So if I buy this, it'll finance $24,000 by itself, and I have $26,000. So I can buy this. In my cash position. I'll have less cash. I'll have the same exact payday. But if there's an accident, I will be kind of screwed. But I could sell one of these, hopefully. If I sell these $800 shares, it'll work out. So watch. I'll take out that loan, 50 grand, buy it. So now you look. So I didn't go anywhere here, but if I make one of these small deals, I'll have enough to pay down this loan that I took out and be out of the rat race. I keep forgetting where I'm at because I'm just babbling. Small deal. So I could sell these now and get out of the rat race, or I could just not. I'll pass. Oh, that's a good one. All right, so I don't want to get in too much of a pickle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy just 1,000 shares because they're $1, so I can make 40 grand off of this. And I just essentially just wait it out and escape the rat race. I'm not going to go into the second part of the game, the outer part of the game, because that would take forever and there's not much to learn there. So, all right, there we go. So I made 30, so 24,000. So that's going to pay off the debt, exactly what I need. Wait, what? Cancel, repay. Oops. And that cost me $1,000 to get the 24,000 that I needed. So I'm going to pay this off and I'm out of the rat race. And not only am I out, I only needed $2,300 in expenses and I got 4,000. So any questions, leave them down below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Any other topics, leave it down below. Thank you, Robert Kiyosaki, for inventing this game. And someday, maybe I'll actually figure out how to do it in real life. Technically, I'm doing it now with a YouTube channel that makes me about $20 a month cash flow. But essentially, those are my skills at the moment. And affiliate marketing. Anyway, check out the video on the screen.